Hello, my name is Jill Nitch, and this is my introduction for EDL 852, Intro to School Administration. A little background information about myself. I grew up in north central Kansas in a small town called Kensington, Kansas. After graduating high school, I went to Bethany College in Lindsborg, Kansas, where I played basketball for 4 years and I also did track for a year. I graduated with a K through 12 health and physical education degree. After graduating from college, I went to Hugoton, Kansas, where I taught 7 through 8 health and physical education for 10 years. Out in Hugoton, I also obtained my K through 12 ESOL degree. I've also coached middle school cross country, high school and middle school basketball, and then middle school track where I was in Hugoton. After teaching out there for 10 years, I moved to Pratt, where I currently am, and I am the 5th through 8th health and physical education teacher at Liberty Middle School. I'm also the head middle school volleyball and middle school basketball coach. A few things about myself. I am a huge diehard KU basketball fan, and I like attending a game or two every year. And I'm also a diehard Royals fan, which is kind of a downfall this year, but I'm still a true fan. Experience with leadership and why I want to be an administrator. I'm just starting my classes to get my master's in administration this summer. This is my 3rd class. I've been very fortunate in my 14 years teaching to work with 4 very talented administrators, and I've taken bits and pieces from each of those that will help me become the administrator that I want to be someday. Reasons I want to be an administrator: I like working with those kids that other teachers can't quite make a connection with and helping them to be successful. I'm looking to be an administrator to, one, further my education and to possibly explore a new career path. I have toyed around with not being in education before, and I want to pursue being an administrator before I look for something else to do. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to getting to know everybody.